In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Adobe Illustrator for free on your PC or Mac. First, hit the link in the description below, which will take you straight to Adobe's official site. Once you're there, click on the Free Trial option. Next, pick the Business Plan, which gives you a 14-day free trial, plenty of time to explore Adobe Illustrator and the entire Creative Cloud Pro suite. Click Continue. Then enter your email and click Continue again. You'll be asked to complete a short form with your personal info and payment details. But Adobe won't charge you until the 14-day trial ends, and you can cancel anytime during that period or keep the subscription. Up to you. Once you're done, click Agree and subscribe. Next, create a secure password for your new Adobe account. After that, you'll be prompted to download the Creative Cloud desktop app. Install it, then log in using the email you just registered. Once Creative Cloud is up and running, head to the Apps tab. Scroll down to find Adobe Illustrator and click Install. And that's it. Now you have Adobe Illustrator installed and ready to use it. Start designing amazing graphics, logos, and illustrations. Plus, you'll have access to all the other apps in the Creative Cloud Pro suite. Don't forget, click the link in the description to try Adobe Illustrator and the full Creative Cloud Pro suite for free today. If this was helpful, make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.